Hello guys, today we're replacing this Samsung ice maker, but I want to talk to you about something we're gonna do on the process. Let's see. Alright, like I was saying, it's a Samsung refrigerator, and like you guys can see, we have removed the ice maker and also we removed the auger motor. I'll show you here the auger motor, and you see this little fan on top of the auger motor. It was completely full of ice. And one thing I gotta talk to you guys that whenever the ice maker fail and they start creating all this ice around the box, like you guys can see right here, it's always good to remove the auger motor. Very important, because this little blade right here sometimes can get stuck with ice as well. Even though you put the new ice maker, like we have this one right now, if you're gonna put the new ice maker, we recommend to pretty much remove the auger motor and make sure everything is clean inside. We're gonna be cleaning everything in here, so make sure that there's no ice in there blocking, because there's a little vent in there that you can barely see it right there, but pretty much that little vent, it has to be clean really good, because if there's ice blocking in there, the fan that is located on the auger motor is not going to be circulating the air to the ice maker. And like you guys can, like if you guys didn't know, the ice maker pretty much it has to be receiving that cold air from that little fan, because that way it can detect that it is in a good temperature, and also that way the ice maker can start making ice. So that's why we're cleaning everything really good right here. Once we clean everything, we're gonna be ready to install this guy right here. And this pretty much is really easy to install back. I'm sorry I didn't record when I removed it. I was too busy, I guess, defrosting all the ice that it was there, but you should be hearing like a click whenever it goes all the way in. Like there we go, and there's like a little secure on the bottom. Once that secures in there, pretty much it's ready to plug in, and we should be having no more problems. But the way I defrost all this ice, I use like a steamer, or also I can use like a hair dryer. I would definitely recommend that whenever you're doing this process to unplug the unit, because if not, the piece of copper or coil that is on the ice maker, it can be freezing at the same time, and then it can be sticking, and you can pretty much break that piece. And if you break this piece right there in the middle, man, I tell you this, we screw, because that piece cannot be replaced. They don't sell that part. So you gotta be careful whenever you remove this ice maker, and also whenever you put it back inside. So you guys can see right now, we're gonna try to pretty much open the ice maker, and that piece is gonna slide right in the middle, and at the same time we're pushing the ice maker. It should be available to be adjusting, pretty much adjusting inside. And it's a little tricky, I'll tell you that, but right now it's a little bit hard for me because I'm recording this with my other hand. I need to find something better to record, but I'm just wanted to make this video to show you guys pretty much how important it is for you guys to remove the auger motor and clean the auger motor. A lot of times, pretty much, we can be replacing just the ice maker, and if we don't remove the auger motor to completely clean everything inside, we can go through the trouble that the ice maker is gonna fail again, because it's not receiving that good air from the blade from that little fan that pretty much the auger motor has. So like everything else should be really easy. This ice maker is kind of common to go out and have this kind of problem, But once we replace the ice maker, we should be having no more issues. And the only pieces left to put, it will be this guy right here, just the cover, all the harness, the cables. But we're gonna put this one screw on top right now, and then we're gonna be putting that piece on the bottom that covers the cables. You gotta make sure everything is on the place that it has supposed to go. But here is another video, guys, that I make for you. If you have any question, you can always leave your comment below. And also like this video if you like it. That way I'll be creating more videos. And don't forget to subscribe for more. And like you guys can see, we almost finished with this repair that we have over here. I have done this repair a lot of times, and I know that once we clean pretty much everything inside and install the ice maker the way it's supposed to go, we should be definitely not having no more problems. And the last step, it will be putting the ice bucket back inside, and it's ready to roll. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Like I said, like this video, subscribe, and if it's anything I can help you or anything you want me to make a video for, just let me know and we can go from there.